As you can see, the large circle surrounding me is a modular LED rental display. Let me introduce it to you. Its model is EA500H7 flexible rental LED display, and its dimension is 500 by 500 millimeters. The standout feature of this LED display is its flexibility, allowing it to be seamlessly assembled into a circular or curved shapes. There are two buttons on the handle. Simply press them to adjust the degree of the curvature. If these two casings don't fit together snugly, you can also put this small two-part up. That way, you can keep it flatter. Look, it's perfect like this. The power box of EA500H7 LED rental display features a hub-based connection design. Quick disassembly and installation via snap-fit connectors significantly enhances the convenience of maintenance. In addition, the EA500H7 features GOB modules, offers certain degree of dust and moisture, and impact resistance, has a longer survival life. We have also thoughtfully designed anti-collision corner guards, ensures greater safety during transport. I'm loyal. If you are interested, please contact me.